guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Carbon Connection. I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but yeah, unfortunately I'm not in the 335. I'm gonna actually have to create a separate video specifically as to why I'm not in the 335. Some sad news, unfortunately. The car hasn't been with me for I think close to 2 months already. Might not be back for another month and a half or so, but we'll definitely get into that in the next video. Hopefully I'll release that in a week, and that's been the main reason as to why I haven't been posting any content, main reason why I haven't had the chance to actually get out another video. But I decided, you know, I can't keep holding back because of that, and we are in a different BMW right now, and luckily enough one that can actually get us some content out there. I am currently in an E90 330D LCI, and I bought this car specifically to sell, and I figured why not test it out, why not see what 0 to 100 it can do. And yeah, thanks to obviously us having the Draggy that we bought from Ren Sport, we are now able to test the 0 to 100 times like we did with the RS4. I know a lot of people were not happy with those times. Yeah, we just didn't get it right on the day and the conditions weren't perfect. But yeah, we're gonna go through some stats on this 330D LCI. It is a really powerful car. It's got some decent torque, actually more than decent torque. So the bang for buck that you get paired with the really good fuel consumption, especially with our insane fuel prices, this makes a really compelling car. It can be a great daily, great long distance runner. Very tempted to keep it, to be honest with you, but with everything that's going on and with the repairable of the 335, which I will get into in the next video, it's just not feasible. So yeah, welcome to today's video. Okay, so before we head out and test the vehicle, now that we've spoken about some of the stats, this car is spec'd in sapphire black or sapphire black metallic. It's pretty damn good color, of course. I think it does hide some of the lines as black would do in most cars, but it looks super aggressive, especially with the M Sport back. This is a really good looking car. I mean, it's a 10-year-old car, doesn't look that dated. Of course, the interior, yeah, a fair bit, but from the outside, it still looks pretty damn good. So enough blabbering on about the stats of the car. Let's see what 0 to 100 time we can put down. Like I had mentioned, we will be using the Draggy unit, which we purchased from Ren Sport. You can see the little Ren Sport sticker on there. It's a pretty simple unit, connects via Bluetooth to your mobile phone via an app, and yeah, it'll give us some stats. So this car being a normal automatic, it's got the 6-speed ZF. It doesn't have launch control as such, so what we're going to do is just going to flip this to the left. You'll see an S pitch up on the dashboard, and that means that the gearbox and motor is now in sport mode. And then lastly, we're just going to turn off traction control, and then yeah, we're just going to give her the beans and see what 0 to 100 time we can get.
$60, $100.
Okay, so that sums up today's very short, to the point video. You can see we did a 0 to 100 of 6.98 seconds. Not a prep surface, not a perfect day. Automatic gearbox, no launch control, excuse me, and yeah, absolutely no mods to the car, of course. It's a stock standard 330D, 10 years old, 165,000 Ks on the clock. pretty decent numbers. I mean, you could take on GTIs with that kind of power. Well, GTIs of the day, of its time. I'm mixing up my words now. I'm gonna end the video. I will see you guys again in a couple of days time, or about a week, when I can explain to you where the 335 is, what went wrong, and why I've been missing in action for so long. Thanks again for tuning in. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and help me grow this channel into something more than more than just a side hustle. Cheers.